Hey guys, today's day 8. Today I'm going to create a small chatbot by using if-else statement while a loop and a function. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the while loop. So then user input. This is the variable. I'm going to get the user input by using input method u or user. Now I'm going to write a if statement user input lower method. This lower method is nothing but if the user input is caps letter, by using this method we can convert this user input into small because this exit is a small, so that's why. Now break. So here why I put this break, because of this is a while loop. So this while loop will loop every time. If there is a no break, this loop will happen every time. So that's why I put this break here. So now we're going to write a variable response. Response is equal to chatbot. This chatbot is the function, so we will write above. So user, this user input is a argument. Now I'm going to print this response bot. Now here I'm going to write the function diff. Diff is nothing but is a defined function. Chatbot is the function, and I'm going to write the user input as argument. Now user input is equal to user input dot lower method. Now I'm going to write the if condition. If hello in user input, I'm written either how can I help you, else if how are you in user input, I'm written yes I am fine, how about you. Now another else if I need help in user input, I'm returning what kind of help you need. Okay, then else sorry I can't help you. So we completed the chatbot. So now we're going to run this program. Let's see. Oh, that's an error. So this is the error. So again I save this program, then I'm going to run. So user, okay, I am the user. Now I'm going to enter this help, hello. You see, hi there, how can I help you. I'm going to enter how are you. See, yes I am fine, how about you. I need help. What kind of help you need? So this is very simple. So now I'm going to enter like this, sorry I can't help you. So this is very simple. This is enough today. We'll see you tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Thank you.